So I walk over, got tap it.
If I walk where I walk, there's a tap in there, brother.
Tie sleeves.
So I will take the shortcut.
I must take a shortcut. I couldn't eat all of it. I cut that long though. You don't say I be able to back down all them places.
You see the box down argument and what we used to do in the past, we're not going to hold them conversation then no more. Pay it up on a different part now, you understand?
Uncle that long gone. But that's how I say so. You ever walk and remember something?
I don't want you to remember that. Take out the box, I can move.
But that is easy to do.
Yeah, Bubble. Yeah, I'm there. That's the bar. Alright.
Warm.
Just some old memories.
A section of your life there, done with. It's a new page is up on now, yeah? Alright. Let me help you with this.
So Uncle, how you back there?
Drop it off. Drop it off for somebody.
Oh.
We drop it off for Lana.
I know something that I'm going to turn here.
We are talking about something about you hear me I say, the woman take things from me and she pay me every 2 months. So she asks for some pine, I'm just carry the pine, we give her some sugar pine.
Pine alone?
What do you mean a pine alone?
Say it takes so long.
Cheers, pal.
So,
Go on, question.
but Uncle, like just one more video, like one more question. So, come to the rest of woman I used to do.
Omega,
Yeah.
she's sick. She have flu. And so when she forward back on the farm, she nothing know, so Lana get some sugar pine.
All done.
Last question you say, no, brother. Last question, forward. Black Chinese.
Hey!
Miss Jen.
She don't miss her somewhere.
What, don't I storeroom?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Miss Jen.
Who that?
Numbers, man.
Where they,
Carry some things for you. Put on this thing.
Great numbers.
It's Jen. Thing alright?
Yeah, man.
There.
Numbers. What about that?
Forward, let me talk.
Are you alright with that? Me no know, you know. The fact that him boss sign him up before him even tell me, me go feel guilty if me tell him don't do it. But that weird though, Tony. How him boss for sign him up for something where him no know if him go agree to or not. Him just sign him up so. The boss claims say him the man for the job. But whether or not, you have to consult with somebody or the person before you make a decision. That's exactly what me that say. It's not like Karim live alone, you know. So wanna talk about it? Yeah, we'll discuss it, but I'm not give him the final answer yet. He might go for 6 months bubbles. I'm not sure about this long distance relationship. The truth is, T, if you don't love each other that much, I mean, it will work. We just have to find a way, make it work in terms of communicate and talk to each other a lot. But it's strange for just film boss decide say him going to sign him up for him go up on this job where him not sit down and talk to him about. I understand what Karim is saying. He want more money and want to get a place for himself. But the long distance relationship, I'm not sure about it.
You know the face?
Yeah, recognize.
From where?
Tell you the truth, you know. You remember when this one scamming thing would have on that community? I watch my camera and I go out and see my mom to watch my Bartender phone. Just because I don't want to be back. But when I see back from her, I just see back from her.
I tell you the truth, that's why I can't come around with you now. I'm a nephew.